Hi there. In last video we have seen unboxing of this CrowPanel Advanced 7-inch HMI ESP32 AI display. We have seen different features and peripherals and also its demo. In this video we will see its documentation. Okay, so this is the link where you can purchase this display. It's a Elecrow website where you can purchase this display. It comes with two variants, with acrylic case and without acrylic case. You can purchase as per your convenience and application. So let's see different feature of this display. So it's a 7-inch display. Okay, it has a different peripherals and features. So you can see it's based on ESP32S3. It supports Wi-Fi and BLE. It has a capacitive touch IPS panel, smart AI function, built-in real-time clock, replaceable wireless modules, and different support for different IDEs. It has integrated AI functions, so you can use it as a assistant, smart assistant. Okay, so these are replaceable Wi-Fi wireless module. I will show you that in a minute. So you can see the applications of this display. You can use it in smart IT, smart agriculture, IoT, Internet of Industrial Internet of Things, IoT, then in intelligent building and home automation. Then it comes in logistic and supply chain management, environmental monitoring, emergency and disaster response, and consumer applications. So there are different features and peripherals on this uh, display. You can see it's a 7-inch. These are these dimensions, and these are peripherals like real-time clock with battery. Then UART, serial ports, input and output ports, I2C ports, built-in buzzer, then boot and reset button, TF card, SD card reader, SD card slot, then speaker output. There is a built-in microphone, then battery connector. You can make it portable by connecting the battery. This is a USB port, type C USB port, where you can use it for programming and powering purpose. So we'll see this all features and peripherals in detail. Let's see. So you can see the information here, like we have just that it is a 7-inch, resolution is 800 by 480 IPS screen. It is a ESP32S3 core processor, 512 of 512 kilobytes of SRAM, 8 megabytes of PSRAM, and 16 megabytes of flash, which is a very good configuration for display. Then it comes with not only the display features, but also it is a wireless features like 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi and BLE functions, combined with the built-in antenna, and it has a wide angle display. Let me show. Yeah, it's a IPS panel with 178-degree of wide angle viewing, wide angle. Then it's very important that it supports multiple development environments like Arduino IDE, ESP IDF, platform IO, and development languages like C and C++. It also supports LVGL, open source graphics library. So if you want to design the user interfaces like this, you can use the LVGL, as well as you can use Squareline Studio softwares like Squareline Studio, which you can easily build your own LVGL based UI, Squareline Studio. Okay, and there are different connectors by Elecrow, which is called as CrowPanel sensors. You can interface them with the display. So there are different ports which you have seen earlier. Let me show you again. So here these are I2C and UART port. You can connect this sensor to these ports and make your application or project. So we have seen these application scenarios earlier. Okay, it comes with display, type C USB cable, and this we have seen that in unboxing. Let me show you very important. So it's just not display, it's a very peripheral rich HMI. So this is the very important feature of this display. It comes with this feature of replaceable wireless module design, provides diversified wireless communication option. So display has feature to insert these wireless modules. So which kind of these wireless modules, like ESP32H2, which we have seen in unboxing. Then you can purchase ESP32C6, then NRF2401 2.4 gigahertz module, then LoRa module. So you can see these all modules. You can add on these modules here. Let me show you here. So these are add-on modules, and where you can insert those modules. So this is a slot where you can insert this wireless module and use that wireless technology for this display, like Bluetooth, LoRa, Thread, Zigbee, Matter, Wi-Fi 6, and 2.4 gigahertz. So you can use any of this, or you can purchase all these modules and use this display. So this is a very feature rich display. Let's see its demo. There is one more documentation resource for this display. So this is the wiki page of this CrowPanel Advanced 7-inch HMI display. You can refer it. It has a different documentation, and information is given on this wiki page. You can refer like pinout output, and you can see different versions, and so they have given the tutorials for platforms, supported programming platforms like Arduino IDE, SPIDF. You can go to these links like this version 3 or version 2, whichever hardware you have purchased. For ESP Home, Squareline Studio, Mestatics, Platform IO, ESP IDE, and Arduino IDE. So they have given a step-by-step guide to all this. Let me show you so you can see here. So for version 1.2, you can go to product introduction and all this detail. So you can see how you can use Squareline Studio. They have given all the things with screenshots. So this is very extensive documentation given by Elecrow. You can follow it for getting started with this HMI display. Alright, so this was all about documentation and programming guide of this HMI display. In next video we'll build a project using this display. It will be smart home tab. So we will make this tab portable. We will connect this display with battery and program this HMI display to act as a control tab for home automation. Let's see. Thank you.